And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the slow motion video speed in the MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra. So first up, open the camera app, then slide to the left to the slow motion, and now if you want to change the slow motion video, click on this little icon and select your desired speed, like the maximum one, and now you can record slow-mo videos. And this is how it looks with the maximum slow-mo speed. And it's minimum slow-mo speed. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.